Okay, what we're doing today, this is all waterproof. All this is waterproof. Got the ledge done. There. Progression is the key. All waterproofed. Ready for tile. Okay, what we got here today, we got this all waterproof, all ready, all cleaned out, ready. So what we're going to do is this pipe wall, put in this pipe wall. We're going to put in this back wall. Then we're going to do the step over. See you later, alligator. We did today. We got everything. Put that pipe wall in right here. Pipe wall is in, brothers. Back wall in. Pipe wall got put in. Pipe wall. And we did the step over. What we did is we 45. See how we 45'd all of that? All 45. Yeah. Okay, this is day number 3. Actually, day number 4. Got the shower floor in right there. We got this shower floor in. Tomorrow, we just grouse. All right, we got her all done. Shower is all in. Look at that. See what you can do in 5 days, puppies. All right. Looking good, brothers. Ceramic Styles Incorporated.